Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you with an awesome way you can have peanut butter. I've had a lot of requests from people asking, can we have peanut butter, especially the people in maintenance mode. Now, the first thing I'm going to say is the people trying to lose weight. I always tell you the PB2, which is a powder peanut butter, that one is the lowest in fat. And I know a lot of you don't really like it. Well, let me tell you how to make it taste even better. Instead of adding water, add some vanilla sugar-free creamer, your coffee creamer, or a little bit of almond milk, the vanilla almond milk. You only need a tad. You know, when you add the water, it's like, what, a teaspoon? You only need a tad, but it sweetens it and it tastes amazing and great for those of you trying to lose weight, keeping it low fat and using the body fat as your high fat source. But I got a lot of you that are in maintenance mode or that want to have a dirty keto day and is craving a real taste of peanut butter. Well, this is the one right here. My husband's already gotten into it. I have not opened it yet. I'm about to break my fast and make a video for you guys, a keto video. So I thought I would do this first so I can go ahead and try this peanut butter. He said it's excellent and it's all natural, organic. What is it? Maranatha, no sugar or salt added, peanut butter, creamy. He said it's delicious. Let me tell you the ingredients. Ready? Organic dry roasted peanuts, organic palm oil. Contain peanuts, may contain almonds. That's the ingredients. That's how you know. When you find something like that, that the ingredients is, that's it. That's it. Organic dry roasted peanuts and organic palm oil. It is, for 2 tablespoons, 200 calories. That's a lot of calories, but peanut butter is high. Those of you in maintenance mode, definitely enjoy this, or for a dirty keto day. The total fat is 17. The protein is 8 for only 2 tablespoons. That's pretty good. And the carb is 4 and 2 fiber and 1 sugar. So the sugar in here, it is not an alcohol sugar, I don't believe. Even though it says no sugar, it does have the 1, and I don't even know what they're considering that for a sugar. But when it is a total carb at 4 and the fiber is 2, well, that means it's only 2 if you're doing net carb. Then it's only 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons. And there it is right there. Let me show you that. Hopefully you guys can see and read all that. And you see the ingredients. Pretty simple, you guys. And my husband said it tastes amazing. I can't wait to make some peanut butter toast with the almond flour. I can't wait to put this on celery. I can't wait to do all that when I hit maintenance mode. So let's go ahead and give it a little try here. First off, we're going to open it and show you. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yum. Look at that. Creamy deliciousness. OMG. You could add in add this into a protein shake and add, like make yourself a chocolate protein shake. Add a little bit of this in there and shake it up. Now you got a peanut butter chocolate shake. Or, because I've done it with the PB2, or you can actually add it in, like if you're going to make a pancake, like a chocolate pancake or whatever, add the peanut butter in there. Yum. Now you have a peanut butter chocolate pancake. That's all going to be low other than the peanut butter. Obviously it's going to up. So like I'm saying, this is more for people in maintenance or they're going to do a dirty keto day. You wouldn't want to do this every day unless you were in maintenance. But let's go ahead and have a small little taste right before. This is going to break my fast and then I'm going to go ahead and make a video for you guys, a keto video for Thursday. That's all I'm going to taste right there because that's all I need. Now remember the total serving on this is 2 tablespoons. This isn't even a 1/4 of a tablespoon. Let me shut this off. Sorry, my battery's going low. That's not even a 1/4 of a teaspoon, but let's try it. Oh my God. Total peanut butter right there. Yum. Yum, that's good. Now it says no sugar added, no salt. So it definitely, peanut butter all the way. Of course, when we used to eat Jiffy or Skippy and all that, had a little bit of a sweeter taste. So if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of the stevia, liquid stevia to it. I don't need it. I love it. I love it just like this. Oh my God, so good. Some people are going to say, though, they need it a little sweeter. So just add in a package of the stevia. Or I wouldn't do the liquid because it's already, you know, pretty thin. It's not super thin, but it's already thin. So I would add in the package of stevia if you needed to sweeten it a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be making some recipes with this, you guys, for Keto Treat Day. Definitely make you some recipes for my keto healthy eating show. Definitely. Wow, this is good, you guys. Holy moly. There it is again. Got it from Walmart. It is an all-natural peanut butter. That's what I was trying to tell you guys. Veronica, she's been wanting to have peanut butter. She's been craving peanut butter really bad. Right here, honey. But remember, it's very high in fat. So watch the, the amount, because you said they used to sit down like I used to and do spoonfuls of it. You wouldn't want to do that, but you definitely can have it like on some celery or put it in something that you're making, maybe a keto pancake or whatever, just to get that peanut butter taste, or make some of that bread, that almond bread that me and Monica have been making, and other people that make it, and make some peanut butter toast. You can definitely, like people are saying, you don't even have to pop that stuff in the microwave to make your almond bread. You can actually put it in a pan and be flipping it, make it nice and crunchy, put some butter. Well, you don't even need the butter, but add there. There you go. You got a piece of peanut butter toast. Yum. Oh my gosh. Figured this is a treat video, and people are looking for treats and have been asking me, the ones in maintenance, about peanut butter, that they do like the PB2. I've explained that you can add that in, and they do like it the other way. When I've told them to add in the sugar-free creamer, they are liking it better, but they still want something that tastes much more like a Skippy or a Jiffy or, not Jiffy. Yeah, Jiffy. Or a Jif peanut butter. Right here, you guys. Perfect. And like I said, that was the ingredients. There's nothing in here that you have to worry about anything. It's organic, it's everything, and it's a peanut butter, and it's delicious. Again, I'll hold it up there real quick. It was from Walmart. I will have a picture of it in the slideshow, because I'll, when I do the keto videos, I just throw a picture in. But definitely try this out for you guys that are in maintenance mode. I can't wait till I hit maintenance, because I'm going to be having some peanut butter toast. Yum. Because I ain't doing any more dirty keto days, because I'm so close to my goal. I got like 3 pounds to go. So I'm going to wait till I hit there, and then I will slowly start to increase calories and move up and be living life large at a goal weight I never thought I would reach. But I'm going to do it. Definitely gonna do it. So then I can have this peanut butter. But I will watch the amount, because I still don't eat super duper high fat like people do. They do like 200 grams, 180 to 200 grams. The most I'll ever do, I think the most I ever did one day was like 140 grams, I think. So that's enough for me and keeps me feeling great and feeling healthy, and that's plenty of fat. I don't need any more than that. I'm little. I'm 5'4" and only 138 pounds right now. So I'm almost there. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely try out this peanut butter. You'll really love it. It's delicious. And be strong like I am. I'm not going to get off of here now and be a closet eater, because you wouldn't be able to, you would be able to tell if I was a closet eater, because I wouldn't be as thin as I am now. You would know that I'm lying. That little taste right there, that's all I needed to taste it. I know it's delicious, and now I know when I hit maintenance, I'm going to be having some peanut butter that tastes very, very close to regular peanut butter. I love you guys very much. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are notified of all of my videos, so you don't miss any of the treats or the keto healthy eating show or any of my ketogenic stuff I talk about. I did accidentally delete that video that I did, that stuff that I read about my brother that said the keto power on there, that information. I accidentally deleted that one, you guys. Maybe I'll have to reread it. I do still have it. I didn't get rid of it. Maybe I'll have to reread it. I had some wonderful comments in there. But I accidentally deleted it when I was actually putting it in my playlist. I deleted it by accident. So sorry about that. If you saw it leave, I accidentally deleted it. But anyways, share around my channel so other people will get to know me. I can help many more get healthy and, get my channel bigger, because I want to help America become great. And I can't just do it with under 2,000 subscribers. I need a lot more. So definitely share the channel around. And definitely shoot me a thumbs up. The second you come into my video, just smash that thumbs up. Then I know you're liking my videos. I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And always remember, everybody, do it with me. Always remember to what? Keep it keto.